Hello everybody and welcome back to Plant Boy. My name is Cade and today is just going to be a little brief video. I'm just going to give all of you plant parents a little tip here on something that you should do to maintain the health of your plants over a period of time. So let's get into it. So over a period of time, your soil as you water, especially if you're watering from above, meaning that you're pouring water directly into the top of the soil here, is going to settle and compact. And soil compaction is a problem for several reasons. One of the main reasons that soil compaction is a problem is because it does not allow for adequate drainage, and it also does not allow for adequate oxygen supply to the roots. So it's going to be harder for oxygen to get into those roots, and it is going to be very difficult for the plant to absorb water evenly throughout and drain all of that excess water as well. So in order to combat this, there are many different things that you can do. Some people choose to simply just stick their fingers down into the soil and create little holes around the pot. I do not prefer this method simply because I feel like it's kind of counterproductive because you are compacting all of the soil below your finger whenever you are pushing down on it. Most people, you are going to see them use chopsticks. I know if you ever get sushi takeout or Chinese takeout or anything like that, you have probably hundreds of these in the back of a cabinet somewhere or a drawer, so go find them and start aerating your soil. So we are just going to, just take the chopstick down inside here and just gently move it around. You want to make sure that you are not really disturbing a whole lot of root growth whenever you're doing this. So you don't want to dig in there and like start lifting things up, but you definitely just want to kind of, get some small holes in there. If you hit a root and you can't go any further, do not force it. You don't want to damage the roots, obviously. You just want to go calmly around here. So I have also seen people use soil probes to do this as well. If you are choosing to use a probe and going around while you are watering your plants to see if there's any moisture left in the pot, you can definitely stick your soil probe down in there and just give it a little bit of a wiggle to allow some aeration to happen and allow water to absorb properly. So that's it, guys. Just a brief video, just a very simple tip from me to you that can help keep your plants happy and healthy. And it is really essential for good drainage, good water absorption, good oxygenation throughout the root system and things like that. So it's good to get in the practice every once in a while to just go around and aerate your soil. So do not forget to like the video if you enjoyed the little tip. I will have some more in-depth videos coming out soon. I'm planning on doing a composting guide here shortly, so if you guys are interested in that, let me know if you have any specific questions about composting. I plan on covering several different things and other care guides and things like that. So thank you all so much for watching and checking out the video, and I will hopefully see you in the next video. Bye-bye.